thunderstorm warning for Lindsay County, Missouri until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Handy, or 18 miles west of Doniphan, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Doniphan, Naylor, Budapest, Gatewood, Oxley, Fairhaven, Handy, and Briar. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.